Greetings everyone. Before we start, let me throw this sentence out. The freedom to write. This sentence will stick with us throughout the presentation. Our vision is to change lives one pen at a time. Who are we? Well, we are a team from Art Science who are in charge of the development of the new perfect pen. Let me introduce my teammates who will be presenting later on in this video. There's me, who is in charge of calculating the cost of the material relating to the product. There's Archimedes, the head researcher of the best materials to be used, and there's Reenikka, in charge of designing the pen. Now let's dive into the features of this perfect pen. It will have a titanium ball tip, silicone gel grip, and will use water-based ink. So the reason for using the titanium ball tip is for durability, while the silicone gel grip was chosen due to its soft and long-lasting abilities, and the water-based ink complements the writer's effort in writing due to its quick drying capabilities.
Our initial plan was to have a titanium tip for our pen. However, upon researching and conducting surveys, we have discovered that it will be a little more costly than the average pen, as titanium is an extremely rare metal, making it not only difficult to obtain, but also makes it one of the most expensive metals on the market. According to consumers in the survey we conducted, they have collectively agreed that it will be too expensive for their liking, as they value the cost of pens eminently. Therefore, we have decided to compromise on hardness and improve on cost by choosing to have a steel tip instead of titanium. Steel is almost like titanium, a little less durable, but still mightily durable. It's very easily obtainable, which not only means that it will be easier to manufacture, but it also means that the cost will not be a problem. Current generations of pens use brass as their tip, which can be easily dented. So by choosing to use steel, it improves the durability of the next generation of pens. Now, on to the second most important feature the ideal pen should have. A silicone grip is the perfect material to use for the grip of the pen. This is because, unlike rubber, a more commonly used material, silicone is longer lasting, meaning that it will not lose its soft, springy texture, nor will it disintegrate after a few months of usage. Some companies have thought of improving the rubber grips on pens by using foam as the material. However, upon researching the satisfaction of foam grip pen users, testimonials have stated that the foam grip deflates and flattens after 1 or 2 hours of writing, which actually puts a ton of strain on the fingers. This problem is non-existent with silicone, as the springiness of silicone prevents any form of deflation. Besides texture, the shape is important as well. Our silicone grip will have an ergonomic design that lets the hand rest well on the pen, like a key in the correct lock. Overall, after extensive research, it seems that silicone is the best material to use for the grip of pens. Most ballpoint pens currently make use of oil-based ink for a smoother feel when writing. Our improvement to this is to use a gel-based ink. Initially, we had wanted to use water-based ink. However, upon researching and conducting a survey, users do not like how inky and easily smudged water-based ink can be. Thus, we chose to compare gel ink with oil-based ink. Oil-based ink is smooth but can get uneven when writing, so even with a smooth feel, the ink may not be consistent. On the other hand, by using gel ink, it does not make it less smooth. In fact, it is equally as viscous. The reason why gel ink would be better is due to the fact that they can flow much better than oil-based, as well as it dries faster than oil. This not only prevents smudging, but also leaves your handwriting looking immaculate.
In conclusion, an ideal pen will have blue ink, have smooth writing, a variety of thickness to choose from, comfortable, long-lasting handle, quick drying ink, and finally with a durable tip that will not spoil easily. If a pen were to be able to check every condition here, it would be the highest in sales and popularity among other pens. So, why now? We are visionaries looking to improve the everyday things in our lives. We hope that by seeking to improve the smallest things, we can make the biggest of impacts.